How to apply to study in Finland. Step 1. Choose to study in Finland. Step 2. Decide on a course and an institution. Step 3. Check entry requirements for course and visa. Step 4. Apply for the course. Step 5. Receive your letter of offer. Step 6. Receive confirmation of enrollment. Step 7. Apply for your visa. And finally, Step 8. Plan your travel. Axiom offers professional guidance to Bangladeshi students who intend to study in Finland. We'll be with you on each step from the initial general consultations to arriving in the country. We'll review your academic, professional, and financial circumstances along with your future study and career plans. According to your needs, we'll assist you in selecting a suitable course, place of study, and all other related issues. You'll get proper guidance from us, which will fully comply with the updated visa requirements. Our dedicated and well-experienced counselors are always ready to assist you in every step, such as your first visit to our office, admission, visa procedures, etc., until your departure to your desired destination. The typical procedure that you must take before starting your study in Finland is as follows. Step-by-step guide applied to Finland. The first step would be step 1, which is attending a counseling session. Attend a counseling session at Axiom for planning and gathering information on your options relating to study in Finland. Courses available and recommended institutions. Now we shall discuss language and proficiency requirements. We shall discuss requirements for admission. We will also discuss the amount of money required to study in Finland. Next up is step 2, registering with Axiom. Register with Axiom to start the admission and visa process. We can help you navigate through the various processes and make studying overseas easier. Get suitable courses and university with Axiom. Step 3 will be standardized admission tests. Prepare and appear for standardized admission tests and join AGI, also known as Axiom Global Institute, to sit for the exams required for the application, such as IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, etc. There will also be an examination for the Finnish University Admission for International Students, or the EFU, of the Finnish Language Proficiency Test, the FLPT, and if required, IELTS or TOEFL or anything similar. Next up is step 4, applying for your admission. Once you've decided what and where you want to study, we'll help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice. Prepare application documents, arrange to send the application fee. At the time of application for admission, you'll be required to submit several documents including proof of previous academic qualifications and, in most cases, proof of your language ability. Now, the common application will include standard documents for study application, which includes your photographs, passport, academic certificates and transcripts, and medical reports. For Masters and PhD, there will be additional documents that will be required, and they may include reference letters, statement of purpose, police clearance certificates, resumes and CVs, and etc. Documents for submission may vary according to universities. It's best that you inquire directly with your Axiom Education advisor for details. By submitting your application through us, you'll be able to track the progress of your application as we send you automatic notifications of its progress. We also take the hard work out of tracking the applications by keeping in contact with the institution on your behalf. Once you've decided what and where you want to study, we'll help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice. At the time of application for admission, you'll be required to submit several documents including proof of previous academic qualifications and, in most cases, proof of your English language ability. We'll also provide you with a checklist for the documents you'll need to provide when the time comes to apply for your visa, which is step 7. Next up would be step 5, and that is to undertake medicals. After submitting your application for admission, you'll need to undertake a medical examination by one of the doctors approved by the Finnish government. Once that is done, we'll move on to step 6, which is organizing funds, and that will include proof of payment of tuition and accommodation fees, a letter from the person or institution providing you with money, or proof of funding paid from within Finland if you have a scholarship or are in a Finnish-funded educational program. Coming up next will be step 7, paying the tuition fee. To accept your offer from an education provider, you must pay the tuition fee. Most Finnish institutions require you to pay the first year fee only. You can choose to pay this fee through either telegraphic transfer, TT, or direct debit, DD. Our value-added services department at Axiom Education Advisor can help you arrange either of these payment methods. To accept your offer from an education provider, you must pay the tuition fee as advised by the institution. Once the institution have received and processed your tuition fee payments, they'll issue you with receipt. This receipt will be needed to lodge your visa application. Speaking about visa application and lodging it, we come to step 8, which is visa lodgement. Now you're all set to study abroad in Finland, but now not sure what to do about your student visa? You've got your heart set on studying in Finland, but before you can embark on that journey, you'll need to get your student visa sorted. The process might seem complicated, but we have broken it down into easy steps. An international student wishing to study in Finland must apply for a visa in person. To lodge your visa application, you'll need to provide the recommended documents specified by the Embassy of Finland in Bangladesh. Now the basic documents required for visa applications are passport, visa application form, a duly filled up one that is, passport size photographs with 2 into 2 inches and a white background, all academic certificates, registration cards and mark sheets or anything similar, the admission approval from the Finnish educational institution that you've been accepted into, such as the Finnish language institution, university or others, a certificate of eligibility for a status of residence or the COE, and finally, evidence showing the applicant's ability to pay all expenses during his or her stay in Finland. Further additional documents may be required. Please note that except for passport and photos, every document should be provided by at least one photocopy and its original. Axiom will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. In Finland, a student visa is known as a study permit. To lodge your visa application, you'll need to provide documents outlined in this checklist we provided you in step 8. Just like your admission application, Axiom consultants will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. Next up is step 9, the visa outcome. Usually the Embassy of Finland in Bangladesh delivers passport in less than 5 working days after the interview. We'll notify you as soon as we know the outcome of your visa application so you can come in and collect your passport and grant letter. In most cases, this is a positive response and it means you can also start planning your travel and accommodation for Finland. And finally, we have step 10, planning your travel. Once you have accepted your place and your visa application is approved, we can help you organize your travel arrangements and advise with sorting out suitable student accommodation to begin your new student life in Finland. Air ticketing, insurance, foreign exchange and anything else you need can all be arranged through us to make studying overseas easier. So wait no more. If you're serious about preparing for a study abroad, our expertise can help you get ready and find the right university and course selection, university application, visa application, pre-departure assistance, and accommodation arrangements. Start your application now. More information down in the link below. Thank you for your time with Axiom. Have a good day.
One-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.